Ready to stop struggling with your walls and start finishing like a pro? You're in the right place. Get ready to level up your game as Pulley's Perfect Finish brings you the essential tricks of the trade for flawless drywall and painting.
Okay, we got another little trick of the trade here. This is a handle off a 1 gallon pot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take and we're gonna string it through our ladder to have somewhere to hold our 1 gallon pot when we cut in. Basically, we want to stick this to the top of the hole, and we're just going to bend it around and hook it up the best that you can, and twist. And if you can see there, pow, there you go. And this is the paint that we're using. I don't sell this paint and sponsor. They don't sponsor me or nothing like that, just in case you need to know. It's a Benjamin Moore interior eggshell. That's what we're using, the product we're using today. And look, for the trick of the day, now we have somewhere to hold our pot.
I hope you picked up a few new tips from this episode of Tricks of the Trade. This entire series is proudly brought to you by the quality experts at Pulley's Perfect Finish. If you want more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button.